What's up guys, in this video today I am reviewing the top 5 best trailer jack. In addition to this, these are also specifically manufactured to be very durable and solid, in order to offer much needed support for distinct weights of up to 2,000 pounds. There are a lot of products available to choose to trailer jack, each with excellent characteristics, benefits, and prices to help you make an informed decision. I have done deep research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best trailer jack products from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Lippert 285,318 3500 lb Power Tongue Jack. There's a reason the Lippert Power Jack is the best seller on Amazon. This is a powerful, reliable machine at a good price for what it can do. The weight capacity on the Lippert is a whopping 3,500 pounds. If you've never tried an electric trailer jack before, start with this one. It's likely you won't ever want to use another one. The features this jack offers are impressive. Installation hardware is included, and the setup is really quick and simple. Once installed, it's push-button operation to make raising and lowering your trailer a breeze. And, in the event something goes wrong, there's still a manual option. LED lighting helps ensure you see exactly what you're doing, even in poor light conditions. The motor is an 18-stroke, 12V 30-amp powerhouse. Number 2. Boat Trailer Jack with 6-inch wheel. This product is capable of rolling quite well in concretes. And, you will fall in love with its well-finished zinc coating. This jack offers more excellent ground clearance, particularly when navigating bumpy landscapes, deep swamps and streams. In like manner, this version is equipped with integrated grip that enables users to experience no sweat lifting and lowering of the trailer coupler as necessary. If you opt for easy operation, more convenient maneuverability and reliable strength, then this is the ideal bet for your preference. Fundamentally, the jack is capable of swinging up and out of the way for towing. And, to guarantee more clearance while towing the trailer, this is built with a swivel bracket. Two factors that must be thoroughly looked over if you are eyeing to purchase this marine trailer jack are its not being that dependable in terms of repelling corrosion, which is contrary to what was advertised, and the rails especially requires being mounted horizontally, for they come with lengthier sizes than needed. Positive side of this product. Top drawer, supporting a trailer tongue weight of 1,200 pounds made with 6 inches diameter trailer jack wheel, for more convenient maneuverability. Negative side of this product. Not really that reliable in combating corrosion. Number 3. Generac 7122 Speed Wash, 3200 psi. The 7122 Speed Wash pressure washer from Generac is designed for many different cleaning tasks in a residential setting, such as concrete, wood, vehicles, and soap applications. The Speed Wash offers a lot of innovative features that make it an attractive option. The engineers at Generac built this pressure washer with the Generac brand 196cc OHV engine and a brass head axial cam pump. It provides a maximum flow rate of 2.7 GPM and a psi of 3200 for quick powerful cleaning. The Speed Wash comes with Generac's trademark power dial ergonomic spray gun, as well as several cleaning attachments. A power broom for cleaning performance that is up to 4x faster than a standard nozzle. A turbo nozzle with rotating pinpoint stream to remove tough, stuck-on dirt 30% faster than standard nozzles. A soap blaster attachment that can spray soap upwards of 3x farther than standard soap nozzles to provide better penetration and improve cleaning. Number 4. WEN PW3200 Gas-Powered 3200 psi. Designed to be ultra-portable while still offering enough power to take on the dirtiest jobs, the WEN PW3200 Gas-Powered Power Washer is excellent if you value reliability and portability. This 3200 psi pressure washer blasts away dirt, paint, or other grime with ease. It features a 208cc 4-stroke OHV engine, capable of pushing out up to 2.5 gallons per minute for faster cleaning. The axial cam pump provides a reliable spray over long distances, and is a quality component that offers consistent performance, and helps to maximize the unit's lifespan. There are 5 nozzles with the PW3200. The nozzles include 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, and 40 degrees nozzles to handle a variety of jobs, no matter the size or the sensitivity of the surface you need to spray. The final nozzle is a soap nozzle that is great for washing cars, boats, RVs, or other vehicles. The 12-inch wheels make the pressure washer easy to move over rough ground, and it weighs in at 67 pounds. Number 5. Champion Power Equipment 4200 psi. With measurements of 4200 psi and a maximum flow rate of 4.0 GPM, this Champion commercial-grade pressure washer is one of the most powerful on our list. Champion designed this gas-powered pressure washer with their own 389cc 4-stroke engine and an Innovi Reverberry triplex brass head axial cam pump to provide quick, efficient cleaning. Field service professionals will appreciate the 5/8" by 50-foot steel braid, reinforced high-pressure rubber hose for its large diameter and extended reach. The package also includes a 2-foot detergent hose that easily connects to the 1-gallon onboard detergent tank. The 0U Acute, 15U Acute, 25U Acute, 40U Acute soap nozzles ensure maximum cleaning with minimal hassle, no matter what kind of material you are trying to clean away. The low-profile design of the Champion 4200 side commercial pressure washer makes it easy to load into a service vehicle. And 10-inch tires make moving the washer an effortless task while on the job. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoy the videos, please do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product price, do check out my description box. You can for any kind of problem, please comment below.